Hi, this is my presentation on the game that I selected to use for my education in my classroom. The site is called Free Training Tutorial. It's a great little website I found over the last few weeks. It's been very helpful. One of the games that I really liked that I wanted to show you guys was called Speedboat Negative Numbers. It's a pretty simple and basic game. You can just click on it and let's see what it's about. So you get to play easy, medium, or hard like most games, but some games don't have that, and I think that's a big bonus for games to have just because the frustration level might be there if it's too hard, or the boredom level might be there if it's too easy. So being able to select what type and difficulty you'd like for the game makes all the world of a difference for these guys. We're just going to play easy because it is quite difficult, which is why I like the game. But in this game, two problems with positive and negative numbers will appear, as you can see right here. You have -6 plus 7, and then the next one is 1 minus 3. And then you want to click on the problem, one of these blue boxes, that when the value adds up to be positive, that's the one you want to select. So for instance, you would have 1 minus 4 to get -3, and this one you would have -6 plus 7 to get +1. So it's pretty tricky for some of the kids learning because they see the negative and they automatically think, okay, that's going to be a negative answer. But it allows the students to not only see what negative and positive answers there are, but they must be quick about it because you're racing against 3 other speedboats that are moving. So let's just take you into see what it's all about. Okay, -3 plus 1. See, I got -2, didn't move. I have 7 and 1, gives me a +8. That'll give me a negative answer. Even though it's negative, 8 minus 2, I still am able. It's very hard to talk and do this game at the same time. It's very concentrate related. -1 plus 9 is going to be a +8. Let's see if I can get one wrong. 3 minus 6 slows me down, -3 miles per hour. Now that's a subtraction problem, but it ends in a +3. Oh, they're gaining on me. This is where the kids get a little crazy. Alright, so we have -2 plus 7. Again, negatives right here doesn't really matter as long as you're adding a higher value to get a +5. I gotta win this. Gotta get a big number. 9. Catch him. It's close. And he takes the lead. Now that was actually an easier one than they normally do, but it's a lot of fun. The kids really enjoy the video game, and one of the games I really like to do since we only have my smartboard is that I'll bring this up on the smartboard and have them in a rotating line. So each student gets to hit one button, but they kind of have to be on their toes because time is of the essence. Just because you can calculate it fast doesn't mean you have to be alert, paying attention. Is it your turn to answer the question, and are you going to answer the correct one to move the boat faster? I did this for 3 days in a row, and it really helped with positive and negative numbers and integers all over the board for every student. So it was a lot of fun, and it was a really good review lesson on positive and negative numbers. It's just a quick, simple game. Very easy, very easy to manipulate, very easy to learn. Only took about 5 minutes to show the kids, and they loved it. So that was my game. It was on freetrainingtutorial.com using negative and positive numbers to get positive and negative answers. Thanks.